Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are delving into the fascinating world of drawing the head pose using the timeless Loomis method. Now when it comes to drawing heads, the Loomis method is like your secret weapon. It's all about complex anatomy of the head into simple, manageable shapes and lines. And trust me, once you master this technique, you'll be able to tackle any head pose with confidence. So let's start by talking about setting up the foundation, the bowl and facial plane. You have got a piece of paper in front of you and you begin by sketching out a basic bowl shape. This represents the cranium of the head. Then you add in the facial planes, which help define the structure and angles of the face. Now here's where things get really interesting, establishing the cross. Think of it as drawing a compass right on the face. This cross acts as a guide, helping you place the features of the face accurately. The eyes, the nose, the mouth, they all have their designated spots on this cross. As you are sketching away, remember to think in 3 dimensions. We are not just drawing a flat image here, we are sculpting a 3-dimensional form on the page. When we say the jaws attach halfway around on each side, we are considering the depth and perspective of the head. Now let's talk about the features. The eyes and cheekbones. They sit below the brow line, adding depth and character to our drawing. And the ears. Well, they're like little sidekicks hanging out around the same level as the brows and nose lines. But here's the real beauty of the Loomis method. Once you have mastered this construction, you can draw heads in any pose imaginable. Whether it's a three-quarter view, a profile, or even a dramatic tilt, the principles remain the same. It's like having the key to unlock endless creative possibilities. So whether you are a beginner or seasoned artist, embrace the Loomis method and let your creativity soar. Remember, it's not about getting it perfect right away. It's about enjoying the process, learning from your mistakes, and honing your skills along the way. The world of head drawing awaits, and with the Loomis method by your side, there is no limit to what you can create. So let's sketch, let's experiment, and let's make some art that truly inspires. Happy drawing!